Sir, as of October 2025, thousands of schools across India have been equipped with smart classrooms and digital labs, and over 10,000 adult tinkering labs have been established, engaging more than 1.1 crore students in hands-on learning and innovation. 87,802 smart classrooms and 806 ICT labs are also currently present in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Sir, in this context, given the success of CSR-driven initiatives in Andhra Pradesh, will the Honourable Minister clarify whether the Ministry is encouraging and facilitating CSR funds from corporates to build smart classrooms across the country? And what steps are being taken to replicate the Andhra Pradesh model in other states to ensure that every child benefits from modern inclusive education? Sir, thank you, sir.
Chairman sir, almost all states have their priority on school education. I frankly appreciate the initiative by almost all the state governments in their respective states. They have their own looking into their resource. Every state is not fortunate to have get quality CSR funds. But with that limited fund also, I can cite few examples from the northeastern states. They have successfully implemented new method of technology-driven smart classrooms. But specific to Andhra Pradesh, certainly I will appreciate the approach of visionary leadership of Sri Chandrababu Naidu ji and the Education Minister Nara Lokesh Naidu for specific creating a quality education ecosystem in Andhra Pradesh. Certainly that's a good model. According to CSR policy is giving priority to education. So the way Andhra has developed a ecosystem with a focused manner, any state can develop that approach in the respective state. But I can appreciate Andhra is a good model, but simultaneously I will say almost all state and UT of our country is creating innovative education models.